have about IVF is कि IVF leads to twins, triplets और multiple births. So ये जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि it is not necessary that IVF leads to multiple births only. पुराने ज़माने में when IVF technique was new, multiple embryos were transferred in the woman which used to lead to multiple pregnancies. लेकिन with advancement in science and recent developments in IVF, हम लोग धीरे धीरे सिंगल एम्ब्रियो ट्रांसफर की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं, जिसके अंदर we have the ability to choose the best embryo with the best chances of implantation to give you a successful pregnancy without the risk of multiple pregnancy. The second myth जिसके बारे में हम बात करेंगे is that IVF is associated with preterm birth या फिर high risk pregnancy. So just because a pregnancy is conceived by IVF, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो एक high risk pregnancy हो जाती है. High risk pregnancy is associated with risk factors such as your age, आपकी comorbidities, for example अगर आपको pregnancy के दौरान diabetes है, hypertension है, कितने babies हैं, single baby है, multiple babies है, all of these conditions influence whether the pregnancy is high risk or if there is any chance of preterm. So the third myth that we want to talk about today is that IVF increases the chances of genetic defects in the baby. A lot of people believe that if a child is conceived via IVF, तो उस बच्चे में genetic problems होने के chances बढ़ जाते हैं, which is absolutely not true. Any child conceived by IVF has the same chances of having a genetic defect as a general population like naturally conceived children. In fact, अगर आपकी फैमिली में कोई ऐसा बेबी है who is genetically affected, in fact IVF provides you the opportunity to check the embryo via pre-implantation genetic testing so that only normal embryos are transferred and the risk of genetic disease is minimized. And fourth and the last myth, IVF के बाद बेड रेस्ट की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है और IVF के बेबी सिर्फ सिजेरियन से होता है. So this is one of the most common misconception जो कि पेशेंट्स के अंदर होता है कि IVF के बाद हम काम पे नहीं जा सकते, हमें बेड रेस्ट लेना पड़ेगा, हम सीढ़ियाँ नहीं चढ़ सकते. So this is absolutely not true. Bed rest is routinely not advised via IVF and आपके IVF से conceived babies जो रहते हैं, they have same rate of cesarean section as general population in case there are no high risk factors involved. I hope इस वीडियो के माध्यम से आपके IVF के रिगार्डिंग काफी सारे डाउट्स आज क्लियर हो गए होंगे. In case you want to reach out to us or ask us a question, comment in the comment section below or reach out to us at Birla Fertility